Hello from Myrtle Beach. We are here to check out the construction at the Boardwalk. This is the main boardwalk in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and they are replacing the existing wood, which is in need of replacing, but they're replacing it with a composite material. So it's no longer going to be a wooden boardwalk, but this material is set to last longer. So let's take a look. As you can see, they're actively doing the construction right now, but we're going to go a little further down and take a look at some of the parts that are already complete. Let's walk down through here. And it is hot today, so this is a hot job. It's really warm. It's in the 80s, which isn't so bad, but it's very humid, so it's a scorcher. So let us know in the comments, what do you think about this new boardwalk? I'll tell you my opinion towards the end of this video. I don't want to spoil your impression one way or the other to give you one idea or the other. So as you can see, there's different colors, which to me appear, I guess there's somewhat of a pattern to it, but almost looks somewhat random. Looks like they're getting close to finishing. They're going a lot faster than I expected. I thought they would be working on this all summer, but now if they're doing the entire boardwalk and not just the central section, and the entire boardwalk's 1.7 miles, so that would take all summer. Let's come over here, take a nice look at the ocean. And they haven't done this section yet either, but they have pulled up the benches, so it looks like they are getting ready. You can see where the benches used to be. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous view here. It smells good too, that salt air. All right, let's keep on going, looking at the boardwalk. Also, this gives you a tour of the boardwalk. You know, all the stores, all the restaurants. There's definitely a lot to see and do here. There's a couple of arcades, gift shops, ice cream, restaurants, bars, pretty much anything you can think of entertainment-wise. So yeah, this main section, it looks pretty close to done, except these little bump outs, like right up there. Really, really nice day though. Not very many clouds in the sky. It's a good day to lay out if you're into that. There's a public beach access there. And also, just a little tip, because it's kind of hidden. There's this little alleyway that goes up to Ocean Boulevard, but there's also this great little selfie spot. So if you want to put yourself on Instagram or Twitter, there's a good spot to do it. Although, I don't know. Honestly, I think I'd rather be in front of the ocean. So yeah, I'm not quite understanding the difference in color. Here's my personal opinion. I said I'd wait till the end, but I'll give it to you now. I wish all of it was the darker brown color. That's my personal opinion. I don't mind the composite material. In fact, I'm in favor of it. I think long term it's a little more cost effective and environmentally friendly. But for me, I mean, you can see how bad a shape the old boards were. So, I mean, this definitely needed to happen, but I don't know what I think about the color. Brian, what do you think about the different colors?
It's weird.
Brian
looks
says
like the Partridge Family bus.
Okay, that's a unique take for sure. So yeah, I can't say I'm a fan either of the color. Like I said, I don't mind the material, but I don't know about the color. So here's the Skywheel, and it did recently catch on fire. And it's back open already though, so, and I don't think anyone was on it at the time. I think it was actually closed, but it did have a small fire, but they were open again and inspected within a few days, so it must have been something pretty minor. So we have some more gift shops over here, and now we're going to take you up to Ocean Boulevard and show you the attractions that Ocean Boulevard has to offer, because there's actually a lot, even more stuff over here. And directly across from the Skywheel, I'm not going to walk down there today, but if you look at our last boardwalk tour video, we did actually walk all the way to the restroom to show it, so if you really want to actually see all of it, you can go look at that. But right across from the Skywheel, directly across the street on that side, there is a public restroom. So that's the only public restroom I know of in this area. We've got I Love Sugar. Got some nice food over here. The Ripley's has several attractions. They have the moving theater. It's a 5D theater. It's pretty rough, so I don't really recommend it if you don't like rough rides. But if you're into that, it's different. It's different. And then they've got the Haunted Adventure. They've got the Mirror Maze. And we haven't done the Haunted Adventure, but I can't recommend the Mirror Maze. It was more fun than I expected. It's difficult. It's challenging. And then they've got Ripley's Believe It or Not, which we'll come to in a few minutes. And then here's the Gay Dolphin. It's a huge gift store. And then you'll see just a ton of eateries, like here's Pizza Kitchen, there's Fry's across the street, lots and lots of gift shops. And Gay Dolphin's by far the biggest gift shop, but there's plenty of other ones to choose from. If you come down to the Boardwalk area and you've been before, what is your favorite attraction or place to eat? Leave us a comment below and let us know. Also, let us know what you think of the new Boardwalk. I definitely would love to hear it. I posted a question on our community tab. So if you haven't subscribed and you subscribe, you'll get messages from us on the community tab on YouTube. And I post a lot of polls and that kind of thing, as well as sort of breaking news. So that'll keep you up to date on the latest. Here's another entrance of the Boardwalk Paradise General Store on this side. And then, like I mentioned, Ripley's Believe It or Not, which is this huge green building, and it's the auditorium. It's very interesting. We have a video on that. I'll link that in the description below. The old-timey photo. And this is the entrance to the Fun Plaza, which is one of the two arcades that are oceanfront. And then Peach's Corner is coming up here, and Peach's Corner is really a Myrtle Beach icon. It was here before Myrtle Beach was an official city, so it's been around a very long time. We've got various treats and food. And then up here, straight ahead, is the volleyball courts. They do have volleyball tournaments from time to time. And then this land up here used to be the pavilion, and it was demolished. It was an amusement park and it was demolished. There is a zip line over there, but they also have festivals. So we just went to the food truck festival not too long ago. I'll link that video below. A lot of times the festivals are held in this field right here. And there's the volleyball courts. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.